Hey everyone, welcome to day 15 of your 31-day writing prompt series. If you're enjoying this series, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and there's a link in the comments section if you would like to receive the series in your inbox each day. Today's writing is about conflict that stays beneath the surface. Here's our open prompt. Write a polite conversation where the real conflict lives beneath the words. Let the surface exchange remain restrained, careful, or even pleasant, while something more charged moves underneath it. The speakers may be protecting themselves, preserving appearances, or testing the edges of what can safely be revealed. Focus less on argument and more on the quiet pressure created by what each person needs, knows, or wants, but cannot openly name. And for our directive prompt, write a scene with two people who want opposite outcomes but remain courteous. Include at least three gestures, pauses, or glances that reveal this tension. End the scene when someone subtly escalates or withdraws from the conversation. Let us know in the comments section how it goes, and we will see you tomorrow. Happy writing!